Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to identify key topics in your sources in NotebookLM. Now, when I have this summary panel open and I scroll down a bit, you'll notice that there's 5 little headings here. These are key topics that are discussed in this particular source. So if I've read the summary, I can understand what's in the source. I can also read the source, but NotebookLM will also help me organize the contents of that source by finding key ideas in it. So I could click on any one of these, and then when I do that, it will automatically add that to the chatbot as a prompt. So I clicked on discuss systems imperfections, and the chatbot will generate a rather lengthy response discussing the system's imperfections. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low-Key PD.